Hi everyone, once again welcome back to my channel. I hope you people are doing good. So in today's video we'll be discussing the strategy that is required for UPSC CSE 2026. So in this strategy I'll tell you when you have to start your preparation, in how many months you have to complete each subject, and when you have to start your preparation for prelims, whether you have to start answer writing practice. Everything I'll discuss here. So I'm assuming that prelims will be held in May 2026. So considering that we have 16 months of time for our preparation. So in these 16 months, in phase 1, which will be of 3 months, we'll finish our NCERT books, that is important NCERTs that are required for this exam. And after that we will analyze the syllabus, and after analyzing the syllabus, in phase 2 we'll start our preparation for prelims and mains. In this phase 2 you have to completely finish your optional, your answer writing, whatever the important subjects that we have to cover, everything should be completed here, and this will be from April to December. And after that, in phase 3, from January to May, we will be giving special focus to prelims. So now I'll clearly explain you in which month you have to complete which subject and what are the sources for that. So first thing, as I told, first we have to complete our NCERTs. From January to March we have to complete the NCERTs of polity, geography, economy and history. Majorly here your concentration should be more on 11th and 12th NCERTs because they are very important. If you haven't completed the NCERTs in this 3 months, take 1 month extra time for it and first completely understand and finish your NCERTs, and after that decode your syllabus. Like in prelims, what are the topics you have to read? For mains, what are the topics you have to read? First note down all the topics. If you don't understand the syllabus, Google it, there you will get the topics. Otherwise I have already made a video on syllabus, you can also see that. After you finish decoding your syllabus, choose an optional. You have to be very specific with the optional because it can't be changed a number of times. So first give more time for your optional and choose it very effectively. After you choose your optional, then you have to start your preparation with core subjects. Core subjects are nothing but important subjects that will be helpful for both prelims and mains. So here I'm starting our preparation with Indian polity. If you don't want it, you can go for other subjects. So in April, after doing your optional syllabus and completing your NCERTs, then you have to start with Indian polity, and for Indian polity our source will be Lakshmikant because already we have completed the NCERTs, so we are going with Lakshmikant. So with polity we have to start, and after that in May you have to start your optional preparation along with your Indian polity. You have to start your optional preparation. This optional preparation should be completed by December. So make sure that you plan very effectively for your optional. Your optional should be read every day and you have to revise it every day. So make notes according to that. Next, as I told, we are starting with Indian polity. After you completely finished reading Indian polity, then start international relation in May itself. That is, in April and May you have to complete your Indian polity and international relations. So for international relations, you can go for Vision IAS notes on international relations. There you will get the basic idea about the subject, and if you want little depth, you can go for challenges and strategy book, and it can also be covered from the current affairs. So this is how you go for polity and international relations. So by May you have to completely finish your polity and international relations, and every day you have to keep on revising whatever you have learned. So here revision is the key role in UPSC. So without revising, if you keep on reading, then it is of no use. So try to revise whatever you have learned every day. And after that, in June you have to start your newspaper reading for current affairs. In order to link this current affairs with your static portion, you have to have some subject grip. So to understand newspaper, I think it would be better if you complete your polity session and then start reading your newspaper. So from June onwards, read newspaper every day, and along with that newspaper, here you have to start your economy preparation. And this economy can be prepared from Indian economy by Ramesh Singh or Nitin Singhania, because for basics you have already covered NCERTs of 11th and 12th. So after this, in July you have to start your ethics and environment preparation, that is in July and August. In this 2 months you have to complete your ethics and environment entirely. And after completing your ethics or environment, whichever it is, after completing that, from August you have to start practicing answer writing. This answer writing can be done from Vision IAS, which is very good for answer writing practice. So every day take one question from what are the subjects you have read. For example, you have completed your polity, international relations and economy. Practice answer writing from insights from these three subjects. Every day practice, write one answer, and try to rectify the mistakes that you have made in that practice. So every day you have to definitely practice answer writing, because from now or from if you start answer writing from August itself, then day by day it will be getting better, and you'll be able to write better answers if you practice it for 4 to 5 months. So it is best to start practicing in August. So after you complete your environment and ethics, every Sunday try to give one ethics answer writing paper. That is, every Sunday try to attempt answer writing of ethics exclusively. September to November you can complete your geography and history portion. So for geography you can use GC Leong book as your source, and you can also refer atlas for important places. And for history you can go for old NCERTs for ancient and medieval history, and for modern history you can refer a brief history of modern India. And for world history, Vision IAS notes will be sufficient. And after completing all this, like after completing the subjects that I have mentioned here you will be left with governance, social justice, society, internal security and disaster management. And December, if possible, you can cover governance and social justice, or you can cover internal security or disaster management. Whatever time you have, you can cover in at least any two main subjects in December. And after that you will be left with 2 or 3 subjects which can be covered later on. So your concentration should be on important subjects like polity, economy, environment, like that. So after completing all this, your 80% of the syllabus will be completed. As I told earlier that your optional preparation should be done by December. I hope that at least 80% of your optional syllabus will be completed. So after you complete the syllabus by December, in January you have to start giving your full length practice of answer writing. That is, every day you have to practice at least 5 to 6 questions of different subjects, and give at least 2 full sets of answer writing practice from any mock test or whatever source you have. Try to give at least 2 full mock tests, so that you will understand how you are able to manage the time, understand how to attempt the paper and all. If you practice answer writing for 2 months, that is in January and February, give full length mock test of mains. It will be very sufficient for you, and it will also definitely help you. And in this 2 months you can practice more number of essays also. So after that you can stop practicing answer writing. So as I said, in December you can cover some main subjects like governance, social justice, and from January, along with your answer writing practice, you have to start your CSAT preparation, because many of you people, like many of the aspirants will neglect CSAT, but sometimes they don't clear that paper. So here I would suggest you to practice CSAT every day. Start your preparation for prelims exclusively from January. Try to give more number of mock tests, and try to solve previous year question papers, and also try to revise current affairs, whatever possible ways you have. Try to do all that. From January to May, cover only prelims related topics, and also don't forget that you have to definitely do answer writing in this meanwhile. You can stop your optional, but daily you have to revise that optional for like half an hour or 1 hour, try to revise that option, because if you give a gap of 5 months of time, then you will definitely forget whatever you have learned. So don't give gap, just keep on revising whatever you have learned, don't go for new topics. So this is how you can use your 16 months of time and prepare for this exam. So I hope you have understood how to utilize the time that you have. So if you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment section below. If you want anything, like if you want any PDF, or if you want any detailed explanation of any topic, or if you have any doubts, you can ask me in the Telegram channel as well. I'll definitely help you. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.